Good morning, traders. Welcome to this week's cryptocurrency market analysis webinar. I hope you all had a great week. Right, so we can see that the cryptocurrencies are continuing to creep to the downside, and the curiosity continues as to whether this will continue to the downside or whether we're going to have at some point a reversal. Are we ever going to see the new highs on the cryptocurrencies? So let's get into the analysis, and we'll see, we'll have answers to those questions. Before we get started, guys, you can contact us by going into our YouTube channel, Trading Waves. Okay, the channel name is Trading Waves. Under the description of all our videos, you'll find our contact details as well as our social media pages. So under the description, this is what you will find. You'll find our Telegram channel. Right, so this is a free Telegram channel. You'll find some of our analysis there, as well as our Trading View link. You can follow us on Trading View. We will be uploading some charts on Trading View and doing some analysis on a weekly basis as of next week. Our website is trading-waves.com, and our social media pages, Twitter and Facebook. You can follow us accordingly. Our next course is going to be on the in April. We'll confirm the exact dates, but you can start purchasing the course. The advantage with taking the course before the live one in April is that you get to watch the recorded course, so that when we have the live one in April, you are able to engage and ask questions on the modules that you would not have understood while watching the video. So let's get started, guys. So today's not going to be a long video. We're still continuing with the trend. The market continues to the downside as far as the cryptos are concerned, but is there ever going to be a reversal? Let's have a look here on Bitcoin. Bitcoin, we are still in that bullish impulsive structure that we've been looking at over the last couple of years. Now, the question has been for the last couple of weeks, is this going to continue downside and then give us a reversal? Now, we're going to look at the detail around here to see, are we making a reversal here, or are we making a continuation pattern to the downside? So let's go into the detail of that structure, because we are looking for that to continue to the upside. If this continues, if this confirms, and we get this 1, 2, 3, 4, from here, we're going to get new all-time highs on Bitcoin if we get that reversal. But the proof is all around this area. Let's have a look at that structure here. Internally, if you look at that detail, let's have a look here. We are starting to see bullish signs on the cryptocurrencies. So for now, we've got this one doing this 1, 2. And if I go into the detail here in the lower degree, you'll see that we've got a structure like this 1, 2, 3. And if we do a structure like that, we could be getting here, let's use a different color, 1, 2, 3. So you can see that this could go sideways for quite some time still, and we have something like this, and we have something like this. Only then can we have the last move to the downside. Now, while this is happening, this will be an A, B, C corrective structure. And while that is happening, what will likely happen is that we're going to have very strong divergence. That must be a strong divergence. That shows you accumulation and volumes, which should be enough to push this to the upside. And for this to start accumulating around this level before we get the last capitulation move to the downside here is a good thing for Bitcoin and the rest of the crypto market, for them to start pushing to the upside. So we would have that ABC corrective structure. We would have this one, another ABC here, ABC. If I just go to the detail, and in here, you're going to have this one as a WXY corrective structure. Okay, so that's what we have here. So we can still be extend to the sideways. We can still extend to the sideways for the next couple of trading sessions before any significant move either up or down as far as Bitcoin is concerned. So exercise patience and wait for these structures to play out. Now, that is what we're looking at here. So we could get this one playing out differently, like that, but either way, we could have the last move to the downside and upside. But the idea is for this to accumulate so we can have some volumes to push this higher when you do get the reversal. Right, so the rest of the structures will be similar. You can see Ethereum is doing the same thing here. If I go, you can see here in the higher degree, we're looking for this one to continue pushing to the upside. But is this the reversal area? Are we starting to push to the upside like that? Is this going to give us a running flat? Or is this going to give us an expanding flat where it breaks and then upside? The proof is all in here. And again, if we go into the detail of that, you'll see that we're starting to see some bullish moves, although not yet ready. we can get this one pushing to the upside. We can get this structure coming down here. So you can get this one 1, 2, 3 here. You can get this one here, giving you 1, 2, 3 wave structure here. One more move, one more down before we push to the upside, giving you an ABC corrective structure here before the next leg to the upside. This is an accumulation area going sideways. That is on Ethereum. So let's watch that. Let's have some patience and see what happens around that area. All right, so that's what you have on Ethereum. Litecoin is interesting because it's got a slightly different structure to the rest. If you look at Litecoin, you'll see that it's making what looks like a zigzag with a A, B, C structure. This is A down, this is B to the upside, and we're now looking for this one to complete this C. Again, just like the others, this can start accumulating here with divergence. Divergence is very important. You must have divergence if it's going to push any higher. Okay, so that is Litecoin. Let's have a look at that detail here in the lower degree. So if you look at the lower degree here, as far as Litecoin is concerned, we can start getting this here, we can start getting that there, we can start getting this before we push to the upside. Accumulation area like the rest. Right, so that is Litecoin. Ripple the same, similar structure to Litecoin. Let's have a look here at what XRP is giving us. It's giving us what looks like a 3-wave corrective structure. We can get around these levels and push to the upside as well. So again, it's all in here. Are we getting a reversal there, or are we still going to get one leg to the downside? Let's go into the detail of that, but it looks like we're still going to get this one to come down here. So let's see here. We can still get that one here, 3 down, and we can get this one doing this one here, 1, 2, 3, and then downside. That is Ripple. Okay, as for the rest, Dogecoin, we're starting to see some signs all around. Okay, so we want to see if Dogecoin is going to complete this structure. This is a nice 3-wave structure on Dogecoin. I was going to start seeing the reversal here. Let's see here. We're waiting for the signs, we're waiting for divergence, clear divergence on Dogecoin to see if we're going to have that push to the upside. We are noticing some divergence. If you look at the green line here, which is the RSI, you'll see that we're starting to see some divergence there. We're going to get this one to push to the upside. So let's keep an eye. Let's watch all of these. ADA the same, okay, but ADA is only simply made a strong impulsive move to the downside. So that means whatever divergence we're getting here could just be for a 3-wave move to the upside as far as ADA is concerned. But soon we should start seeing a reversal across the cryptocurrencies. All right, guys, that's all I have for you this week. Keep the patience, trade responsibly, do not rush into the market, do not panic and exit your long-term portfolios, because what I'm seeing is there's still bullish divergence. We're still going to see moves to the upside on the cryptocurrencies. We may even see the all-time highs on Bitcoin this year. All right, guys, if you like what we do, give us a thumbs up. Hit that bell notification button so you get a notification the next time we upload a video, and subscribe to the channel if you've not already done so. Cheers, everybody. Have a great week. Bye-bye.